Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you on how to fund your Exness account. So the first thing you need to do is just open your Exness application and go to the deposit. Once you click on that, you will see all this right here. So tap on see all payment methods. So once you tap on that, you will see all these. So what you're going to do is just scroll all the way down and tap on online bank. Let's click on that. So from here, it'll ask for the bank that you're going to get the funds. So you just have to put all the details right here, like the amount, the account. So once you're done with that, just tap on continue. And you will see here to review all the details. Once you're done reviewing all the details, just go ahead and tap on confirm. So it will load, so you just have to wait. And then I'll show you this page right here. So just tap on pay with bank transfer. So this is very important. You just have to copy all this information. So go ahead and go to your bank, any bank. So in this one, I'll be using this. So what we're gonna do is just go to the transfer. And then from here, you just have to put all the details that are needed. So since we transferred 5,000 earlier, we're going to be putting it in here. And as well as the account number that was shown on the Exness application. You just have to copy that and paste it in here. So this was the number. And then we're going to be also copying this one. Pay EXN. So after that, it will ask for your PIN. So just go ahead and enter. And as you can see, it's a success. So this is the amount and the pay EXN as I've said earlier. Now just tap on continue. So so there you go. It's a successful transfer. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye!